Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So we're going to start off today's video with this beautiful shaggy haircut. As you guys know, this shag is going to be super popular in 2023. And then we have this gorgeous lob that features the dark copper colored trend. That hair color looks absolutely radiant against her complexion, followed by this stunning curly shaggy bob haircut. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we see another popular hairstyle for 2023, and that involves some beautiful blonde bangs along with some layers. Followed by this bob haircut. Beautiful wispy texture that the stylist added with that. And then we head into the next hairstyle. This one is also going to feature layers and a beautiful blonde hair coloring. Next up, we have the undercolor hair trend. In 2022, we saw a lot of that money piece highlight look going around, and it is being updated this season with the undercolor trend. So we are now dyeing the front face framing highlights in the bang area as well as the very back of our hair. So here we have a bob undercut style. And then we have this gorgeous silver hair color, followed by a curly pixie cut. So I hope that you guys are loving these hair trends as much as we are. If you want to see even more, don't forget to check out this video next.